welcome back. Welcome to my channel. In my first video, I'll be doing makeup and the hairstyle I'm going to recreate. Without further ado, let's get started. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss out my new videos and new updates. So let's start with moisturizing my face. So I'm using this. I'm nervous to do my first video. I'm going to hydrate my lips using a lip balm. So the color I'm going to be using now. One thing I'll do it on my face. I just wanted to apply foundation and the moisturizer I'm going to be using now. I'll be mixing two of them to get a seamless doing makeup effect. Glow underneath, as you can see. Little bit foundation and the little bit of moisturizer I'm going to be using now for a while. I want to add all the way to my face, to my face using a beauty blender. One thing I'll do it on my face because it's just a cakey finish. One thing I'll do is doing makeup is close underneath and it brings me full coverage underneath. And I'll be doing my forehead. I'll be using some foundation as my eyeshadow base to keep it very simple and delicate. Just apply it on the neck part and seamlessly coverage. I want a coverage on my face. I'm not using concealer because it's weak cake on this color. I'm using same foundation. I'll be blending out thoroughly. Foundation is losing full coverage underneath, and now it's time to do it on my face. It's next catchy on this so I can see on this. Okay, so I brought from Christmas, I think so. I'll do it on my face. It's easy. I'll do it on my eye makeup. First I'm going to be setting this using a pressed powder. And with this thing I'm going to set the entire makeup. I'll be quickly bronze off my face using this color. Of course, I'll be doing off my face and brings me some definition. I'll be using a brush. I'll be contouring my nose using a short cedar brush. I'll be using this highlighter. I'm just doing off my face because it's close my nose. I don't have it close underneath so I can see it myself. My face, and it brings me to this definition is just to blend to my nose and also the cheekbones. It literally came to me as my favorite glow underneath. I'm just using my fingers to blend. Whatever I do is apply the color underneath, and it makes the shade looks absolutely stunning underneath. Stunning on my face, it makes blind. A little bit correction comes from mistake. You see fingers. First thing first, apply some blush. I don't have a blush underneath, so I can use this eyeshadow palette. I'm just taking this color as my blush. I'll be taking this brush. I think so it's Cherry Blossom blush brush. I'm doing off my cheeks to get a enhancing finishing touch glow underneath. Whatever I do, this blush is just add some definition underneath. It brings me to my face absolutely cheek underneath, cheekless on my cheeks. It's easy when I'm doing off my cheeks. That's doing off my eye makeup. First I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow palette. First I'm going to take this color, the blending brush. I'm just taking this color. I'm just doing off my eyes as my transition color. The one eyeshadow I'm going to be using for a while. Eyeshadows are very blind underneath, so I need everything. I have this color, so I'm using this shadow palette. Another one, also this. Using this color, I'm just doing off my eyes. Yes, it's a little bit of bronze underneath. All I have to do is apply the color under my eyelids to get a seamless finish. This one is super blind. I'm just using the more of I'm having a eyeshadow underneath because it's way deeper than me. I'm just taking this color, same shade I'm going to be using for a while, up on the natural color. I'm taking this color, but I'm using smokier than lower lash line part. Also, I'm using this color, same shade, down my lower lash line to get a beautiful healiness on my eyes. I'm using this color to highlight my inner corners. I want a hue finish. I did not fill up my eyebrows. The first thing I'm going to do is just brush my eyebrows underneath. Look good. I'm using this brow gel. I brought it from March last year to do my eyebrows. Let's see when I'm doing off. I'll be finishing off with a coat of mascara, and it's very simple underneath. I never had this one. I'm using this mascara. It's volumizing, so I'm using this. I just wanted to add more lip to it. I'm done with the eye makeup, and now I'll be doing my lips using a red lip. As you can see, I'm doing off this look. I'm using a very nice red lipstick to do this on my lips. Just wanted to add this touch, and here we go. Finishing off with the bright red lip color. I mean bright red lip gloss. Done a very quick, very easy look. It's time to do my hair. Brush your hair on it. I'm just wanting to add this little touch here. I'm just doing my hair upwards to the end, so it makes hair look very slim underneath. So here it is. It's the final look. Let me know in the comment section below. And what do you think this look is? This is the first time I'm doing off my first video beneath the hair and makeup. I'll be seeing you in next video. Stay lovely. Bye. Now